And now it's time for TT Teammates. TT's teammate today is Ollie. Remember kids, always skateboard with adult supervision. Always wear the appropriate gear. Ollie and I are wearing our elbow pads, knee pads, helmets, and wrist guards. Today was my first time on a longboard. It has been a very long time since I have been on my skateboard. The longboard felt very different, but I liked it. Ollie has been on a longboard before and he skates frequently. It will take a while before I'm comfortable on my longboard, but I was able to get on it. Ollie and I had a lot of fun. We cannot wait till next time. Thanks for hanging out with TT.